I'm Josh with Skid Pro. Here's our industrial backhoe. I absolutely love this attachment for its versatility. It can be used across many industries. Well, where do we start? We always look at the engineering, the design, the build. How heavy is it? This bad boy weighs in at over 700 pounds. Where does the weight come from? Well, it starts at the quick attach plate. First of all, we have mainframe 3-inch square tubing, top and bottom. Then we run heavily gusseted attach plate lip and from the arm to the attach plate. 45-degree gussets, folded steel, top and bottom. Then we go forward into the arm itself. This is a fully boxed 1/4 inch heavily gusseted arm. Absolutely critical, as again, you put this on a 90+ horsepower track loader, there's going to be a lot of torque, a lot of twisting. Your arm better be built to be able to handle it. You see some fixed arm backhoes, you see some articulating arm backhoes. We stuck with the rigid arm backhoe because it is stronger. There's not an engineer in the country that would tell you if you went to a pivoting backhoe arm that it would be stronger. It's just not. One of the things too on the downfall of the articulating units is you've got electric over hydraulic controls. That means we're adding a valve block, we're adding solenoids, we're adding an electrical controller to our machine, and now we're trying to do multiple things with our hands to be able to swing that arm and then try and get it swung right back to where it is. It's actually far easier just to rock your machine and dump and move back to your hole. It's far more intuitive as well for the operator. And then of course you have the large backhoes that, with the outriggers that just sit out on, but they're the downfall. While they do a better job digging, they're incredibly expensive, pushing north of $15,000. This one has tremendous versatility, opening up the doors as an effective work tool across many industries. Now we're talking about power. This bad boy is the biggest in the industry. 3.5-inch bore, 4-inch OD, 20-inch stroke, boasts the biggest 1.75-inch top cylinder pivot pin in the entire industry. A bigger cylinder means more power, more productivity, and more dirt moved in less time. We also have greasable pivot points on both the cylinder ends. The next critical point, in the area that so many manufacturers get incorrect, is the linkage system from cylinder to bucket. You're only as good as that linkage system to transfer the power of the cylinder to the breakout force of the bucket. We have the tallest, heaviest linkage system in the industry, bar none. From there, you'll notice the silver-plated linkage side arms and main front piece. That is cast steel, machined to exact tolerances. The main linkage is 5 inches wide and 2.5 inches thick. The side arms are 3 inches wide and 2 inches thick. Incredibly strong and beefy. The other thing is they're over 13 inches long. And so what that tall linkage system does is create a real leverage effect. It fully utilizes this powerful cylinder just like it does on big excavators and track hoes. If you look at them out there, they always have a tall linkage system. Short linkage system, short arm, no power. From there, we're going to take a look at the buckets. It's becoming a point, but again, industry leading on this bucket, both in capacity and in build. For sure, the toughest bucket in its class. We start with the 3-inch square tubing as the frame. On the sides, we have full half-inch wear bars. Those bars are 7 inches wide, top and bottom. Incredible strength. That's tied in with a 3/4 inch thick, 6 inch wide, high carbon steel cutting edge. That edge has welded shanks into it with excavator style pin-on teeth. These are the same oversized pin-on teeth as you'd see in combo buckets or on an excavator bucket. Another critical area on the bucket is the back side where it connects to the linkage system. We run 1/2 inch high tensile steel there to assure strength and durability. Skid Pro boasts best-in-class bucket capacities from 1,500 cubic inches all the way up to over 3,000 cubic inches. The bucket sizes are 12 inch, 18 inch, or 24 inch tooth buckets, and we also have a 24 inch smooth ditch bucket. A customer favorite is our heavy-duty thumb option. The thumb is over 30 inches long and has 3 rows of aggressive teeth to help secure your load. That thumb is adjustable and it comes with 21 serrated teeth that are almost 2 inches long. It works fantastic for demolition, tree work, and even just picking up and placing rock boulders. One of the things that's awesome about this thumb is that it's stowaway capability. It can be pulled up and pinned back and completely out of the way for all digging functions. Yet, when you want it or need it, you simply unpin, drop it into position, put on the extension arm that's tucked neatly into the QT plate, and you're ready to go. To put the thumb from the stowaway position into action is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply remove the pin, drop the thumb down, remove the pin on the extension arm, 2, put the extension arm into place. 3, pin the extension into the thumb. All these features combine to give it not only durability and performance, but also a 7-foot reach. Excavators, contractors, or farmers, there's hardly an industry you could find that wouldn't have a use for this versatile attachment. A couple other bonus features that we have is a hose retention ring off the left side of the attachment, and also 2 oversized steps with aggressive tread to make easy in-out from the cab. Additionally, these steps have a cutout allowing you to slip the couplers in for additional hose management preferences. And we top that all off with the industry's best 2-year warranty, 100% longer than the competition. For questions on this or any other Skid Pro attachment, give the guys a call at 877-378-4642 or jump online at www.skidpro.com.